Jadi I'm Pakistani and today this video I'll teach you how you can make a Bluetooth control tower using Arduino Bluetooth HC05 or JD31 SPP or any Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno. First, explain affected. We can see this is part of this series. I made lots of towers, so you can see my previous videos to see how I made this tower chassis and anything. Now this is a series though too long, although because I am working on project will not work in some error is debugging with it 6 months. I will debug this project. Finally I debugged it. Now it's time to test. Arduino Uno, which are connected 5 volt ground to motor, 5 volt ground, 5 volt ground, and this time this motor is L298 and motor driver, which have third pin is a power pin with motor power pin, which pin is need 5 to 46 volt or 35 volt, which need to run this motors accordingly. This motor, my motor is 5 volt motor, so I bridge this motor power to also the power terminal of the main power terminal. And similarly this Bluetooth needs 5 volt, which will connect to the 5 volt ground to ground. Bluetooth RX is connected to the pin number digital 10 and digital 11 is connected TX of the Arduino to the Bluetooth. And motor driver 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs, which are randomly connected 4, 5 and 7 and 9 pin of the Arduino. 8 and 6 is open. And this time it will be problem that I will be powering by this using this power band to Arduino. It will take overload the Arduino. Since these two motors are not too much current, it will not work at same time due to Arduino is not carrying too much current. So I will chop the any old USB cable and that inside it 4 wires, then in black, green and white. Green and white is cut out, which is a data wire. Red wire is connected to this third pin and black wire is connected to a middle pin. Black is common ground, which is to motor driver ground plus Arduino ground plus Bluetooth ground. All is common together, so we connect a black wire into it. And red wire we connect directly to the motor power terminal. And motor power terminal bridge to the 5 volt terminal, because I run motor at same 5 volt, which 5 volt I will give the Arduino and Bluetooth plus motor driver logic circuitry. So I bridge this motor and this red wire is connected to Arduino plus motor driver positive 5 volt, and this red wire is connected 5 volt of Arduino to Bluetooth positive, and this yellow wire is ground for Bluetooth to Arduino ground, and this orange wire is a ground wire 1 and it's at Arduino, and other wire is at this motor driver. And this time we use a CS software where function use main RxTH, since we then put to be programming again and again, so it will kill the Bluetooth. So I use a separate serial which is converted by serial software library pin 11 and 10. 10 is RX, 11 is TX. Now we power it by connecting this. And by the way, there are, I forgot to tell, motor outputs are the motor driver outputs to one side is to other side. One side is connected to the one motor. This temperature is no, there's one, and these two wires motor output terminal is connected. One is air and one is the one terminal of the one motor, and other is that first motor, one motor setting terminal. And setting side is a setting motor, one terminal is connected to one terminal, and setting motor, setting terminal is connected to the other pin of this connector. Now we plug the power and give the demo air, and then go outside and give the final demo. And I also move the main Arduino table so it is a wobbling. Now Bluetooth LED is blinking. Now this is a phone. We turn on a phone and then we open the connect and set up and show the result. This time set up and show the result. It shows the Bluetooth on. Now I connect the serial terminal app JD31. This time it will leave a first time you connect it will leave a password which is 1234. Now this time for testing. Now those app typical app for forward using Bluetooth serial app forward stop the typical view. Stop. Stop. Now those are left for right, L for left, forward for F, now those L, I mean B for back, now those for F for forward, now those for back, now left one, and now go to the back. Now explain a tour of this robotic car. First include serial software that library for serial communication, serial external serial port, integer Bluetooth, into Bluetooth TX11, into Bluetooth RX10, which is where 1110 pin is used to Bluetooth serial software Bluetooth TX, Bluetooth TX, Bluetooth RX. White setup baud rate is 9066 to communicate. This baud rate is used for communication system or system with arduino. Bluetooth baud rate is 11500. Bluetooth print access delay 10 seconds. Bluetooth print U9600N, which is also baud rate. Bluetooth BDN 9066. So it is other Bluetooth baud rate. So it will work anytime. Bluetooth which supports 906,500 Bluetooth and 9745 are pins, which are 7 and 9 is one pin, one motor pin, one side, 5 4 is other side, which and initially 4 5 7 9 are both are low wide loop. If Bluetooth not available, tether to send tether Bluetooth dot read. So it will read the Bluetooth value, which is a form of tether print value, tether value. I mean capital F, receive digital wide pin number 9 I 7 low 5 I 4 low motor both motor doors forward direction. If else if send to B 9 low 7 I 5 low 4 I, which means both motor is those reverse. If receive else if send to equals L, if receive capital L digital wide pin 5 I, pin 9 low, pin 7 low, pin 4 low. So one motor rotate forward direction, other motor cannot rotate its stop. Else if send to is R, first motor rotate back side, which is a 9 pin is I, 5 7 4 is low, other meaning one motor is rotating backward direction and another motor is stop. And if we receive as if else send to as digital wide pin number 9 low, 7 low, 5 low, 4 low, arm pin is low, so motor are car is stop. And delay from 10 other milliseconds, which is not used in